So I went to put some air in my tire, and when I did, valve stem cap off, put some air in the tire, and then I noticed when I stopped that a lot of air was just gushing out of the valve stem. So I tried to manipulate it a little bit. It wasn't doing anything. It wasn't fixing it. So went out and got one of these. This is a 4-way tool for a valve stem core. And I'm going to give it a shot here. I'm going to try to tighten that up a little bit. If not, I could use the bottom part here, put in a new valve stem, hopefully solve this problem. This one here I got, the tool is from Slime. So let's give it a shot, see how it works. So you can hear the air just coming right out. Okay, let me show you the piece that I'm going to be using. It's going to be using this end right here. Simply going to push that right in there, give it just a little turn like so. And that is it. That's all it took. All right, a nice easy fix. Just going to put my cap back on and we are all done. So the only reason I even thought about looking for a tool like this is a lot of times I like to go off-roading with my vehicle. And in doing so, you have to, on certain types of trails, air down your tires. And I have some tire deflators that I put on, but I've seen other ones that some other people use where it pulls back on the center of that valve stem. Again, I don't use that kind, but I've seen it, and I know there's a tool for pulling it out and pushing back in. So it got me thinking, went out and got this 4-way toolkit from Slime. I only needed the one part, couple small turns you saw me do, and my valve stem is great. Helped save me, which a tire company, if I would have took it in, who knows what they would have charged. Could have been astronomical amount of money just to get that fixed. Maybe even, would have been saying, hey, you need a whole new tire. Just a couple small little twists. Saved myself a ton of money with this.